In this GlowShift Gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a 2002 to 2007 Subaru WRX fiberglass or carbon fiber dash pod to your vehicle. Start by cleaning the front and back portions of the bottom of the gauge pod with an alcohol prep pad. Once the pod has dried, place the double-sided adhesive strips on the front and back portions of the pod. Use a panel pop tool to remove the clock from the dash. Use an alcohol prep pad to clean the front and back portions of the dash. Connect the sensor harness wires to the back of each gauge. Connect the power harness wires. Firmly place the pod onto the dash. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift gauge pod into your vehicle. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.